Hey, welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about some really interesting tricks you can do inside your iPhone iMessages. These are very simple, but not many people know about these. So before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's go. So I'm going to go to my messages, and here's a message that I'm sending to someone. So first, what I want to show you is you're going to just type pew pew. So that's it. And then hit the green button, and now look at that effect. How cool is that? And then the person receiving, they will be able to see that effect also. So very cool. Now the other thing is, let's say I want to send some emojis to this, and I'll just kind of for fun put some heart emojis. Now instead of just pressing it once, the green up arrow button, what I'm going to do is press and hold on this. So you're going to press and hold, and now you have all of these options. So now we're going to click on screen. Let's do that. And now look at this. Did you know you could do with your messages? And this is me swiping to the right and left. So if I swipe on the right, I see this. Then I swipe, see this. Here's another option. So all these are like different options. How cool is this? Ooh, look at this. And this was screen. If I go to bubble, so you'll see some options there as well. Oh, it's going to send, if I do bubble, it's going to send a big bubble. So let's go back to screen and look at some of those options. Oh, look at that. So many cool things. There you go. Oh my God, I love this one. I think this is really cool. So now, if you want to send this, all you have to do is press on that green button once, and then, boom, look at that. How cool is that? There you go. So very interesting features that we have. And then look at that, the person is like, so I guess they were not expecting. I should have told them or give them heads up before sending this. This is just a service that I subscribe to, but obviously you can send this or do this to any of your contacts in your iPhone. Very simple tricks that you can do with your iPhone iMessages. So these are the two I really enjoy and I really like. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave those below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.